ভাল লাগছে না মা
It's a hypothetical situation, but then like I can actually feel it and it's kind of so heavy on me right now.
Most of the time ऐसा होता है naturally we take our parents for granted.
Whenever I reach home after office, I go straight to my room because I don't have time to listen to what she has to say about how she spent her days. And maybe she wants to know how my day was, but I never really bothered to share it with her, perhaps, because I never thought it's necessary, but now I think I should.
What am I doing, you know? When my parents need me, I'm not there with her.
बहुत मुश्किल है कहना, इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट, क्योंकि मैं ऐसा कुछ इमेजिन ही नहीं करना चाहती हूँ, पर फिर भी मैं शायद वो मेरे लिए सबसे डिफिकल्ट टाइम होगा.
I mean that's really impossible to think, and I really can't feel that I can't talk to my mom for 20 days.
काश ऐसा ना हो कि ऐसा दिन आए, but if something like that happens, it will be very big.
I can't imagine being alone and in an isolation ward just like that. You know, it's really tough.
The question is really tough. It's really difficult to answer.
मम्मी को यही बोलना चाहूँगी कि मुझे इनकी ज़रूरत मेरे लाइफ में बहुत ज़्यादा है, और इससे ज़्यादा इनके बिना मैं नहीं इमेजिन कर सकती हूँ अपना लाइफ.
Through this platform and even after going home today, I'll definitely say sorry to her for all the mistakes that I have done.
I want to go and meet her once and just tell her that, you know, she has to come back, because I can't live without her. And I know I'm someone who doesn't say this much often to my mom, but yeah, I really love her, but I'm too bad at expressing it. I don't say it much often.
Oh ma, just hug her.
It's very difficult to answer. Actually, there are no words to express the grief. Nothing. I cannot say anything. You may imagine. That is the answer.
If something that I would want to say her right now would be, you know, I would always make her proud, no matter what. So, I mean, be it any situation, so that wherever she is, she would always, you know, smile and be proud that, okay, this is my child. Yes, I do. Maybe because of work or other, you know, engagements, I do isolate my mom. Having been away from home for the past 12 years, I even told my mom that I am more comfortable living on my own rather than being with my parents. But then, like, moments like this actually make you realize that, you know, little moments in life matter. And that's when you realize that, okay, past 12 years, I have spent my life alone without being with my parents. And then at this, you know, okay, of course, this is a, you know, a hypothetical situation, but also that's when you realize that what did I just do the past 12 years when my mom needed me?
Yeah, I do agree with that.
Yeah, it may happen, and sometimes like when I was like due to some pressure or overstress because of this, we all are human beings. So I many times I did such like I mean not talking to her, yeah, talking to in a harsh way or rude way. This happened to me also like many times because of some मतलब work pressure. Like many times I even did my with my child also like two kids. So I'm even with for men and the same thing, like not talking to them, yeah, in talking to them in a rude manner. Yeah, I did that. I mean, sometimes. मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं इनके साथ ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड करूँ एंड लेट मी एडमिट दिस आई essentially need her even more than ever.
No matter what, mom, even though I am away from home or whatever, maybe I'm not able to call you, maybe I'm not able to take your calls, I would always love you, and I think there would be no other person in this world that would love you the way I do.
It's kind of a guilt feeling कि मैंने उनसे कभी भी ये बात ठीक से नहीं कहा या फिर उन्होंने एक रिक्वेस्ट किया था, मैंने उस रिक्वेस्ट को नहीं रखा.
First thing that I'm going to do today when I reach home is just hug her when she opens the door for me and just tell her that I love her a lot and I'm always going to help her.
I don't know when again this corona period will be over, and that happiest day would again come to my life when I can hug my daughter and my mom together.